In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to record a video on Roblox. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Recording video on Roblox allows players to capture and share their in-game experiences, creating engaging content for others. It also helps document achievements, gameplay, or creative builds for personal use or social sharing. To begin capturing a video of your gameplay on Roblox, start by opening the Roblox homepage on your laptop or PC. Once the homepage loads, select any game you want to play. For instance, I decided to play Parkour Run. As soon as the game starts, you'll notice your avatar beginning to run across the screen. If you're ready to record your gameplay, head to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Roblox icon. This will open a new window. In this window, look for the Capture option and click on it. A new page will appear where you need to click on the Record Video button. As soon as you click it, the recording will begin, and all the actions you perform in the game will be captured in the video. When you're finished recording and want to stop, the process is simple. Again, click on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the window once more, and you should click on the Captures option. In the Captures window, you will see a button labeled Stop Recording. Click on it, and the recording will stop automatically. Once the recording is complete, the video will be saved to your laptop. To find it, navigate to the Videos folder, and within it, locate the Roblox folder. Inside, you will find your video file. Simply double-click on it, and you can watch the gameplay you just recorded. With these simple steps, you'll be able to capture and save your Roblox gaming sessions without any hassle. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.